Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another exciting episode of Auto Insight. Today, we have something truly special for you, the much anticipated 2024 Cadillac Lyriq. This all-electric SUV has been creating waves in the automotive world, and we're here to give you an in-depth review. So, buckle up and let's dive into the future of luxury and performance. Although the 2024 Lyriq offers the best glimpse yet of Cadillac's future, its on-road demeanor pays tribute to the brand's most iconic luxury sedans. While several rivals have aimed for quick acceleration and athletic handling, the Lyriq is content to waft something we think the brand's faithful will appreciate as they trade in their aging DTS sedans and SRX crossovers to go green. After all, this thing isn't wearing a Blackwing badge. The Lyriq rides on GM's Ultium scalable battery architecture, which means it shares its tech with the beastly GMC Hummer EV pickup truck. But the two couldn't be more different. The Caddy's stylish bodywork gives it a low-slung look, and its cabin is far posher. What's new for 2024? Cadillac has simplified the Lyriq lineup for 2024, creating three distinct trims with an escalating level of equipment. The base model is called Tech and features the entry-level 340 HP single-motor electric powertrain, but this model's range has dropped from an estimated 312 miles per charge to 308. The entry-level luxury trim adds more desirable features, and the top-spec Sport wears a more aggressive exterior look that includes darkened chrome trim and a unique grille treatment. EV motor, power, and performance. The Lyriq comes standard in rear-wheel drive form with a 340 HP electric motor on the rear axle. With this entry-level setup, acceleration is adequate and the Lyriq feels responsive, but it lacks the powerful feeling we enjoy in rival SUVs such as the BMW 9 and the Tesla Model X. At our test track, the rear-wheel drive Lyriq made it to 60 miles per hour in 5.7 seconds, which is fairly quick by mid-size SUV standards, but behind EV rivals. A 500 HP dual-motor all-wheel drive powertrain is optional and adds a second motor at the front to drive those wheels. At our test track, the all-wheel drive Lyriq made it to 60 mph in 4.6 seconds. The Lyriq's road manners will be a letdown to enthusiast drivers. While its handling feels stable and competent, the Lyriq doesn't deliver much fun when pressed hard. Its steering is nicely weighted but lacks tactility, and the same could be said of the brake pedal. Luckily, Cadillac has engineered an aggressive regenerative braking system that allows for one-pedal driving, so merely lifting off the accelerator pedal slows the vehicle quickly enough to avoid touching the brake pedal in most day-to-day driving scenarios. The ride is comfortable over smooth pavement, but some may find the suspension to be a bit too firm over rougher stretches of road. Range, charging, and battery life. General Motors' line of new Ultium EV battery technology launched last year with the Lyriq. The scalable technology allows the automaker to produce batteries that range in size from 50.0 to 200.0 kWh, although the largest size is said to be reserved only for large EV pickup trucks such as the GMC Hummer EV SUT. The Lyriq's battery offers 100.0 kWh worth of capacity and offers an estimated driving range of up to 308 miles per charge in the single-motor model and 307 miles for the dual-motor version. In our highway range test, the rear-wheel drive Lyriq provided 270 miles of driving before needing to be recharged. The all-wheel drive version went for only 220 miles in the same test. Speaking of charging, DC fast charging capability is standard on all models, and the Lyriq is able to charge on home power outlets as well. Fuel economy and real-world EMPH. The EPA estimates that the rear-wheel drive Lyriq is good for 90 to mph city and 80 to mph highway. All-wheel drive drops both of those numbers by 1 mph. In our admittedly lead-footed hands, we recorded 70 to mph in mixed driving with the rear-wheel drive model, but got 77 mph with the all-wheel drive one. For more information about the Lyriq's fuel economy, interior, comfort, and cargo. A rich-looking interior treatment gives the Lyriq an upscale flair. Metallic bridework is intermingled with open-pore wood on the door panels and center console. A large storage tray on the floor between the driver and front passenger is lined with bright blue leather upholstery, which serves as a cheeky pop of color. Although the concept vehicle was shown with just for seats and a center console that divides the two front into rear seats with a touchscreen for the rear seat passengers. The production Lyriq has adopted a more traditional rear bench seat. The absence of a gasoline engine certainly helps create a quiet cabin, but the Lyriq also employs advanced noise cancellation technology to reduce road noise. The interior is spacious, but the cargo room isn't as generous as in other SUVs, and Cadillac hasn't integrated any storage under the hood. Infotainment and connectivity. The Lyriq's dashboard, like the Escalade's, is dominated by a giant 3.0-inch curved advanced LED touchscreen that serves as both the SUV's infotainment system and the driver's gauge display. The infotainment system can also be controlled by a click wheel on the center console, a boon for drivers who aren't fond of touchscreens. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot are all standard features. A rich-sounding 19-speaker stereo system from the high-end audio experts at 8 kg comes on all models. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq starts at $58,590 and goes up to $63,190 depending on the trim and options. In conclusion, the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq is a game-changer in the world of luxury electric vehicles. It combines stunning design, cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and a commitment to sustainability. If you're ready to embrace the future of driving without compromising on luxury, the Lyriq might just be the perfect choice for you. Thanks for joining us on this ride, and until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more exciting reviews on Auto Insight.